Ace Hardware, a retailer typically associated with home improvement tools and garage staples, offers a surprising selection of mini gadgets that are both portable and useful. These small devices, designed to fit in tool bags, car glove boxes, or backpacks, are perfect for solving specific problems without taking up too much space. From water leak sensors to cordless screwdrivers, these mini gadgets are a treasure trove for DIY enthusiasts and those seeking practical solutions for everyday tasks. Let's dive into some of the most interesting mini gadgets Ace Hardware has to offer, each with its unique features and benefits. One standout gadget is the Feit Smart Water Leak Sensor. This compact, battery-operated device is a game-changer for detecting leaks and water damage at home. It can be mounted in various locations, from the kitchen to the basement, and sends alerts through the Feit electric app when moisture is detected. The sensor also features an audible alarm, ensuring you're notified both locally and remotely. This is especially useful for rental properties or homes in flood-prone areas, providing peace of mind and prompt action against potential water damage. For those who love to tinker with tools, the Skil cordless electric screwdriver is a must-have. Its pivoting head and 3 torque settings make it versatile for small jobs and repairs, from assembling furniture to tightening screws in hard-to-reach places. The LED light and one-finger trigger button enhance visibility and ease of use, making it an ideal companion for DIY projects. The tailored digital thermometer and hygrometer is another handy gadget for monitoring indoor conditions. Its compact design and easy-to-read display make it perfect for bedrooms, kitchens, or basements. It measures temperature and humidity, providing valuable insights into the comfort of your living spaces. The 5-level humidity comfort indicator is a standout feature, offering a quick assessment of indoor conditions. For those who work in dimly lit areas or need a focused light source, the Coast LED pen light is a brilliant choice. Its slim design and Coast's inspection beam optic provide crisp edges and minimal glare, making it ideal for small inspection tasks. The light's portability and impact resistance make it a reliable companion for various tasks, from garage work to outdoor adventures. The Dremel cordless multipurpose toolkit is a versatile cleaning solution for high-speed scrubbing. Its lightweight design and hook-and-loop interface allow for quick switching between accessories, making it suitable for tile, glass, upholstery, and more. The kit's rechargeable lithium-ion battery and textured grip ensure comfort and control during use. Dremel also offers the Micro Engraver tool, a small corded tool for precise engraving on various materials. Its soft grip body and variable stroke control make it perfect for crafting personalized touches on leather, wood, and metal. The tool's compact size and comfort make it an excellent choice for precision work. For tire maintenance, the Slime digital tire pressure gauge is a reliable companion. Its digital screen and lighted tip make it easy to check tire pressure at night or in low light. The gauge measures from 5 psi to 150 psi, covering a wide range of use cases, and has automatic shutoff and long-lasting battery life. The EvaDry Mini Dehumidifier is a compact moisture control solution for small enclosed areas. It absorbs moisture without the need for external power, making it ideal for closets, bedrooms, and vehicles. Its ability to protect against mold and mildew in confined spaces is a significant advantage. Lastly, the Leviton Mini Smart Plug adds smart control to any standard wall outlet. Compatible with Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri, it allows wireless control of connected devices from anywhere. This is particularly useful for older appliances that lack built-in smart capabilities, offering a simple and effective solution for remote control. In conclusion, Ace Hardware's selection of mini gadgets offers a range of practical and innovative solutions for everyday tasks. From leak detection to smart control, these small devices pack a punch in terms of functionality and convenience. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or simply looking for ways to streamline your daily routines, these mini gadgets are definitely worth considering.